So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make burgundy color, for which we need some water, a container, a brush, some red color and some ultramarine blue color. So let's get started. So for this, first we will take half part of ultramarine blue color and one part of red color, half one part, and then just mix all these colors very nicely. And here is our burgundy color. Let me show it to you guys lying on paper. So here it is. So if you like watching the color mixing videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.